So yeah, hi guys. I'm at our living room right now, and I'm trying to unbox this as quiet as I can. So yeah, let's do this. This is after school's 6 maxi single. First Love. I actually opened it already, so I know who I got, and I wasn't that pleased. So yeah, front cover. Is this focus? There. Back cover, and this comes with a slip thing. Yeah, and I got Lizzie. I'm not happy that I got Lizzie, but you know, she's my 5th favorite, I guess. Yeah, she's my 5th favorite, and you know, I would have wanted either one of these 3, Julian, Nana, or Janga. But yeah, this is fine, but I've been getting Lizzie, like, you know, for the last few after school releases. Well, after school in Orange Caramel, so yeah, this is the front cover for Lizzie. The back cover. Here is the track list. I don't know if you can see it. There. Just gonna, like, you know, put it in the description. And yeah, let's open this. So we have a flap thing here. Yeah, just a group picture. Then after school 6 maxi single. So far this is, like, you know, the best packaging after school has ever had. So yeah, we have Nana. Nana is so hot in this photograph. Seriously, this shot. Then yeah, this one's nice. Love this. Then you have Janga. Janga's so badass in here. In your hands. I don't like this photo of her though. Have more Janga. Janga seems to have, like, you know, a lot of photos in this one. So yeah, there. Next is Yui. Yui looked kind of, like, you know, I don't know, I just don't like her look in this least batch of photos. Yeah, so I got the Lizzie card. I'm gonna show this to you later. Yui looks pretty here though. But this one, nah. This one too, no. Then the 3 hottest members in after school. The 3 sexiest for me. Yeah. Then you have Lizzie. Like the pink hair. She looks pretty here. Then yeah, more Lizzie. Cowan looks cute, but I don't know. I'm not a fan of her look here. Then Cowan armpit. So yeah. Then you have the shot, like, really cute. Then you have Juyeon. Juyeon looks also hot here. She kind of reminds me of Sohyun in this shot. You can see it. Sorry for the bad lighting. I'm, like, not in my room right now. So yeah, this one's hot though. Seriously, really, really hot. Whoa! I think collectively she had the best photos. Then we have Reina. Reina looked a lot better in this promotions compared to, like, previous promotions. But you know, she ruins it with, like, you know, a smile, I think. It's because everything's so badass and sexy, and she does that smiling thing, so it doesn't, like, fit the photo shoot. So yeah, I have nothing against her, by the way. Then, you know, Young looked a lot better with the blonde hair, with the eyeliner, but you know, without the eyeliner, she kind of looks, you know, normal. So yeah, Young. I'm glad she's getting more lines. So yeah, Young. Then group shot. Jian just gives this shot for me. Then under group shot, Nana and Jonga are show this to you. Crap. Wait. Small shots of the girls. Is it focused? Yeah, I think it was focused. And you know, thanks to. And here comes a different photo shoot. Yeah, the one in the white. That looks so amazing in this set. Seriously. Love this. So yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, I was in panic mode and yeah. Where was I? Julian? So yeah, Julian just looks really hot in this photo shoot. Let me focus it a bit. Yeah. This is one of my favorite Julian shots ever. Seriously. This girl is gorgeous. Then Yui. I don't care for Yui in this, like, you know, this one's sexy. Then Jong, I think, did the best in this, like, you know, white background photo. This is amazing. Then Reina looks nice here. Then Lizzie is developing some abs. I'm too sad that she and Nana got injured during this round of promotions. But it was interesting to see, like, you know, how other members like sing their lines. So here's Iyang, looking so pretty and pure. Then here's Kao. Kao looks a bit like, you know, trying too hard to be sexy. But I think she's really cute, so I don't really see her as sexy. Here's the CD. I'm not gonna take it out just because then here's, like, you know, the background thing. So yeah, that's it. The card. The postcard. I hate that they put the postcard. So here's the postcard, and at the back, I kind of wish they did this, like, you know, with just a normal photo card. Just because, you know, normal photo cards are generally much better since it's smaller. But yeah. Yeah, that's it for this album. Love this album. Seriously. My favorite song is not First Love, but Time's Up. That's it. First Love is my second favorite track. But I can see why they picked that, like, you know, to promote. It's because it's much, I don't know, it has a certain concept. It's so sexy and smooth. So yeah, that's it. If you have any questions about this album, just leave it in the comment section below, and yeah, that's it. Bye.